Welcome to the Launchpad, a self-service NFT launchpad where you can set up shop and sell your NFTs. You'll start by selecting the NFT collection that you're looking to sell and click Start Creating. The first important step is to select the Launchpad management method. You have 3 different options which you can click on and read through to see which one best suits your need. We will always recommend sending NFTs as this one guarantees the smoothest mint. Then we can go on to selecting the NFTs that we want to sell. So for example, you can select them individually, you can select them all, or you can select a range of serial numbers. Like so. Once you've selected the NFTs you'd like to sell, we can continue to the next step, where we will start filling in the information for the Launchpad. So starting with the project name, project description, we can create a custom URL for our Launchpad to share with our community. We can then add our socials, Twitter or X, Discord, your website, Instagram if you have one. You can also add documentation, which could be an image, a PDF. So this, for example, could be a white paper or, information about your project. You can also add team members with a nice photo. There's Manu right there. Add the socials of these team members as well. You can also add a roadmap. So, Q1, Q2, different milestones, and what the community can expect from your project after mint. And once you have all of this filled out, we can continue to the next step, where we will start customizing the visual appearance, so the design of the Launchpad, starting with the banner and a logo. This is coming very soon, the custom iframe, where you'll be able to integrate the Launchpad into your own website, which is very exciting. And then we can select a series of NFTs to showcase on the Launchpad. So when people come to mint, they will get a preview of some of the NFTs that are available. And we can continue on to the next, which is the public sale. So we're going to activate the public sale. We're going to charge in HBAR. As you can see, we have other options as well. Set the price. You can also fix the price in dollars if you prefer. Then we can go ahead and set the mint date. So for example, then you can go on to define the max purchases per transaction. So you can set it at 1, 2, 5, anywhere up to 10. Then you want to introduce the wallet that's going to receive the mint funds. There's also the option to include a burn mechanism on the Launchpad, which would essentially be defining the token ID of the collection or NFT that you'd like people to burn and the amount. So when people come to mint, they will have to exchange one for the other or burn one NFT for the other. You can also apply this to specific serial numbers if you want people to burn specific ones. On top of that, you can add public discounts. This can be via token or wallet or both. If you were doing it via token ID, you would introduce it here, define the max amount of mints for this discount, the discounted price, and you could also define how many NFTs they have to hold to qualify for this discount. If you were to do it via wallet ID, you would enter the wallet here and again define the max amount of mints and the discounted price. You can also import a list of accounts to make your life easier if you have to give many people a discount. Once you have all of this set, we can move on to the next phase, which would be private sale. So pre-sale before the public sale that we just set. You can select up to 5 pre-sale stages, 1, and you can keep adding as many as you need, up to 5. Within each phase, you can add a burn option, similar to how we did on the public phase. Select a date for the pre-sale and any kind of discounts by a token ID or wallet or both. And you can do this within each and every phase up to 5. So it really is a great way to gamify your pre-sale building up to the public. Now, you don't have to have a private sale. You can deactivate it here. Either way, once you're happy with your pre-sale phases, you can continue and you'll be able to review your Launchpad, all of the information, team, collection details, everything that we've filled in previously, you can review before going ahead and continuing on to creating the Launchpad. It's going to let you know how much it will cost. Here it's asking me if I am sure I want to create the Launchpad, and I am. Keep in mind that you can still edit the information. That's not a problem. Create. Then we can go ahead and review within the wallet and approve. And then it will take us straight to the dashboard once your Launchpad has been created. This is the backend for you, where you can go ahead and edit the Launchpad if you need to edit any of the phases or the price or the information. You can also go ahead and get verified, your social media, doxed, and featured. Please read through each of these and apply accordingly. And of course, we have the 2 most important buttons, go live and end Launchpad. As soon as we go live, it will be visible on the public Launchpad, the public Kabila market. If we needed to edit, we would have to pause. So let me show you, for example, are you sure you want to activate the Launchpad? Yes. You see now it switches to pause. So if I wanted to click here and edit, as you can see, I can't. I would have to go ahead and pause the Launchpad, which allows me then to go ahead and edit anything I need. So now that it's live, I should be able to go over to Kabila Market, click on Launchpads, upcoming. And here we have our Launchpad that we've just created. This is what's visible to the public, to your community. They'll see the countdown. They'll be able to connect their wallet and see any discounts they have during the pre-sale or public. They can also look into all the information that we've uploaded. And of course, you have the custom URL, which you can share with your community and promote the launch. To close the Launchpad, you would first pause and then go ahead and end the Launchpad. Here it's just making sure that I'm aware of the decision I'm making. Once you end the Launchpad, there's no going back. You will have to set up a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm. And now the Launchpad is officially closed. If I go back to the Launchpad, my Launchpads, I can see the Launchpad was created and it's now finished. You can still click through, but as you can see, there's no option to do anything with it anymore. That is the end of this Launchpad, and it will be displayed here. And that's it, friends. If you have any questions, feel free to check out the Kabila Academy or reach out to the team. Have fun and happy minting.